All right, so welcome to uh, my YouTube channel. So in this section of the chat GPT, so I'm going to be taking us through another interesting um, tutorial on how to use this AI for the best result. Of course, like I said, this AI is actually one of the most powerful tool at the moment, but most people really do not know how to use it for their benefit. And of course, we've seen a lot of persons like the copywriters. Some of them are really scared that AI is going to take their job, but rather for them to think about how this is really going to scale their business to be more productive, right? So, but I'll be showing us several techniques on how we can do it. All right, so today we want to do um, an amazing, something very amazing. Yes, so we want to ask um, this AI to we want to talk to like any expert within any industry. So we want to play a game. So just hold on and so let's see how what we've gotten. All right, so I want to ask GPT to become like an expert in any field. Of course, let's look around one of the best um, brains now in the tech space. I think we should use Elon Musk and a couple of others as others. So let's get to let's get to um, do some games. All right. So let me tell ChatGPT that I need to play a game. All right. Let's play. Okay, just a minute. Let's play a game. Okay. So act as a talented entrepreneur with sorry there's an error here, so let me just check it. Okay, all right, with IQ. Of course, I know we all know the meaning of IQ as intelligence quotient of level of. All right, so let's use Elon Musk. Okay, so let's use Einstein. Let's use Tesla combined. Okay, so we want to try these three brains to see what AI is going to give us. So we are programming AI to hack like this expert in the field. So I will be asking you men in business questions. You sorry, you have to we are strong now. I'm sorry about that. You have to answer all of those. All right, so let's check what um, AI have to tell us. So let's see if it understands what we're talking about. But something we want to understand from this thing is that don't forget there is what we call there's a prompt in here, a key prompt here. This is a key prompt. Of course, there is a niche that we select here. Talented entrepreneur. Then these are the brains we behind. So we have to be able to explain. You must be able to um, make the AI understand what exactly are those things you need, and you can be sure to give the best result. All right, so and these are the answers. So let me just press enter and let me see what we've gotten. All right, so okay, sure. All right, so you understand what we're talking about. So let's now go on. Let's begin to ask a question. So let's ask it. All right, so let's say, tell me how to grow fast like paper. All right, so let's hope we got it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. This is great. This is great. This is great. This is great. Wow. This is amazing. So ChatGPT gave us six amazing ideas to success, just like paper. All right, so let's check the first one. It said partner with other companies. So because of his time that PayPal initially grew through partnerships with eBay and other online marketplace, which helped them get a lot of users in short period of time. And of course, it offers a valuable service. Of course, expand internationally, keep cost low, innovate and improve constantly. Of course, people have been doing that over times and focus on customer experience. Of course, they actually have a very seamless kind of application. So just these are just one of the things we are talking about. So this is just one of the many things we can do with that. So in my next video, I'm going to show you something about for copywriters. Like I said, I said earlier that a lot of them are getting scared and feel like, oh, come on, this AI will take our job. No, I have some kind of couple of good news for you. So we're going to walk around how, as a copywriter, you are going to enjoy the chat GTP. All right, stay tuned with me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.